Hi, welcome to Crochet Jewel channel. I'm going to share with you how to make this crochet cord bow tutorial. I used a G hook and it measures 12 inches long. You can make it bigger or smaller, just go up or down on the hook size. And the pattern is down below. You can place this video in slow motion. Links are down below for that, and also for beginner stitches. The first part of the video is an old video that I've done before, and then towards the end I'm going to show you how to create the bow with the I cord. So let's get started.
Okay, to get started you're going to create a slip knot onto your hook and then yarn over and chain 3. Create 3 chains by yarning over and pulling your yarn through. Insert your hook into the second chain from the hook, draw up a loop, insert your hook again into the last chain and draw up your loop. Then you're going to take the last 2 loops and drop them, but you want to hold on to them so you don't lose them. Then you're going to yarn over, pull through that first loop, and then go to the next loop and insert your hook, grab that last loop, and then yarn over and pull through the next loop, and then go to the last loop on your hook, and then yarn over and pull through. And that completes the row for the cord. And then you're just going to repeat that for the entire pattern. So yarn over, grab the 2 loops so you don't lose them, pull through the first loop, and then insert your hook on those 2 on the 1 loop that you dropped, and then you're going to yarn over and pull through that loop, and then insert your hook in that last loop, and then yarn over and pull through that loop. And then that's just the repeat. So you're going to drop those 2 loops again and hold them so you don't lose them. Okay, yarn over, pull through that first loop there, and then take your next loop and yarn over and pull through. And then that last loop, insert your hook, and then yarn over and pull through that last loop. And this is just a repeat, and that is how you make the cord. You just continue until you're done. You would drop those 2 loops again and continue on. To complete, you can yarn over, pull through all 3 loops, do another yarn over for chain 1, cut your yarn, weave in your ends, and you've completed the cord.
So I made this around 12 inches, and then I'm just going to yarn over and pull my yarn through and just do another loop. And then I just took my yarn needle and weaved in my ends. And I'm just going to place the loops together to create a bow, and then take my yarn needle and then sew them together. Real easy to do. You can make this shorter, you can make it longer, and you can also make it thinner if you just want to go down on a hook size. I hope you enjoyed this I cord crochet bow tutorial. The pattern is down below. If you haven't already, please subscribe, and thank you for watching.